Now our topic is why website encryption matters, locking down communication. Suppose this is the website. Any online site. Then it must be having users. When a person wants to purchase from this site or wants to make some interaction with the site, it will naturally enter username and passwords. And after making all the purchases on the site, the user will also have to make payment. And for making the payment, it will have to enter credit card details, its CVV, or its expiry date, or other personal details may have to be entered. So what is happening? It is all happening on internet. So if the communication is such, like say we are entering the credit card details 1 2 3 4, and this information is going from user to website. If it happens in the normal course, this communication takes place as it is. That is the numbers, what information is being entered is as it is being transported from the user's computer to the website. The hackers may intercept the communication and find out what communication is taking place. That is, what are the credit card details, what are the usernames, passwords, and what is other information which is being entered, and he may misuse that information for causing financial loss to the user. So what is the solution? The solution lies in encryption. So website encryption means putting a tunnel around the information which is being communicated from the user to the website. All the information which is communication which is taking place between the user and the website is in the encrypted form. Even if the hacker intercepts the communication, the hacker will not be able to read it because the information will be in an encrypted form. Firstly, it will not be in a position to reach that information because it will be in a form of a tunnel. Even if it is a possible for the hacker to access that information, he will not be able to read it because it will be in some coded form. It normally happens that as a layman, when we want to search any information, we go to internet and find that information whichever we want. Suppose we want to search some hotel for staying in some city, we will put hotel in particular city, and on the site search engine we may find some websites which start with HTTP, the others may start with HTTPS. As a layman, we do not know the difference between HTTP and HTTPS. We will hit any of these and find out the hotels where we want to stay, but it should not be so. We must remember that the sites which start with HTTPS are not secure. We should not open the sites which start with HTTP. We should use the sites which start with HTTPS. S is extra. S means that the communication which is taking place between the user and the website is secure. That is, the website uses SSL or TLS certificate. SSL means secured socket layer and TLS means transport layer security. These are the security features in which the communication between the user and the website is secure in an encrypted form. We must remember that when we are owning a website, our website should start with HTTPS automatically. We should see that. And for that, we will have to obtain SSL or TLS certificate. You can search online and you will find out how you can get this get that certificate. For that, you will have to pay some nominal fee to an agency or hosting provider. What is the difference between SSL and TLS? What we should use for our website? We must remember that TLS is the latest security feature or the latest security certificate which is being issued. So when we are to renew our security certificate, or when we are just starting our website newly or launching our website, we should ensure that we are having the latest version of certificate, that is the TLS certificate we are having. And when we obtain the TLS certificate and install it on our site, install and configure the TLS certificate on our site, our website automatically starts with HTTPS. At the same time, whenever we are visiting any site, we must also see that there is also a padlock sign along with HTTPS. Padlock sign is in this form, and then HTTPS. When we are visiting any site, we must find both of these, padlock plus HTTPS. Alone, this padlock sign does not guarantee security. Whenever we are visiting any site, we must look for both these signs, padlock sign and HTTPS. And if we are owning the website, we must ensure that our website starts with padlock sign as well as HTTPS, because these two signs guarantee that the communication between our computer and the website is fully secure by encryption. The topic before us is beyond passwords, securing your website with multi-factor authentication. Suppose this is a website. When we want to open a website, we have to fill username, then password. Password is just like a single lock on your website. This is the lock on your website. This is the single step. If we put double lock, it becomes more difficult to open the website. What is the double lock? Double lock means when you have put in the password, after username you fill the password to open the website, then a code comes on your mobile, and after entering that code which has come on your mobile, you will enter the same on your desktop or laptop or mobile, and then you will be in a position to open the website. So first is Password is normal when you use, and when you enter the code which comes on your mobile, the website opens. This is two-factor authentication, 2FA. There is one step forward which is called MFA, multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication includes two-factor authentication, and also in that there may be a third step, and it may be a facial recognition or fingerprint recognition. Multi-factor authentication is more powerful than two-factor authentication, because in the case of two-factor authentication, to open a website, two steps have to be followed. In the case of multi-factor authentication, we may have to follow two or more than two steps. So multi-factor authentication is better for the purpose of website security, because the hackers have not only to crack the password, but there is also the problem of accessing the code which has come on your mobile phone, or the fingerprint recognition or facial recognition is also a problem for the hacker. When you are having the facility of multi-factor authentication on your website, it increases the confidence level of your users or your customers which are approaching your website. That is, the company is following good practices to secure the data, not only the contents of the website, but also the website is concerned about the data of its customers. So it also indirectly builds the brand image of the website. So as a step towards website security, we must opt for two-factor or multi-factor authentication. Thanks for. Now the topic before us is beyond prevention, preparing for the worst with regular website backups. In this digital world, unforeseen events can happen at any time. It may be possible that due to some human error, our content on website may be deleted, or due to some hacking attempts, our data may be deleted, or there may be some malfunctioning of our website due to which some data is deleted. If we have backup, we can restore the functioning of the website very quickly. It may be also possible that the server which contains the data of our website is caught in fire, due to which the data stands destroyed, because the server is destroyed. If we are having backup, we can quickly restart our website on the different server, and our downtime is reduced to a considerable extent. Further, if we are having our backup of the website files, it gives us a peace of mind. We will feel free, tension free, that we are having backup. Even in the case of deletion of contents of the file due to any reason, we need not worry. We can rebuild the website very quickly. So we should opt for that hosting provider which provides for automatic backup of our website contents. Most of the hosting providers provide this facility, but we must specifically keep in mind that the hosting provider chosen by us provides for the regular website backups. By taking into this aspect of regular website backup, we will remain stress free, and we can also keep the downtime of our website in the case of unexpected deletion of website contents to the minimum. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.